Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Now we are doing revision of all lessons one by one. And today we are going to revise lesson 2, computer software. Hardware and software are two basic parts of computer, right? So what is software? It is a set of instruction or program. It helps a computer to perform a specific task. A software is a very important thing to make the computer hardware work. And it is intangible. That means we cannot touch or feel the software. Next, types of software. Many types of software are used to do many types of work. So the types of software are system software and application software. System software are classified into three types. They are operating system, language processor, and utility software. And the application software classified into two types, general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. System software is a collection of programs that controls overall operation and performance of the computer. As I already told, it classified into three types. The first type is operating system. What is an operating system? It controls the overall activities of a computer and it is the most important software. It is an interface between the user and the hardware. It helps to user can work with hardware. These are some examples of operating system: Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and Unix. The main functions of an operating system are: it controls the working of all input and output devices, and to prevent misuse of a computer, it provides security by passwords. And it helps you to create and manage files and folders for storing it in a computer. And also it allocates memory to various programs and frees up the memory when it is not in use. These are some functions of an operating system. Next type of system software is language processor. We know that computer can understand only the machine language, but we giving the instruction by using low level or high level languages, so that this language processor or converts the high level or low level language into a machine language. There are three types of language processor. They are assembler, interpreter, and compiler. And the last type of system software is utility software. The main use of the utility software is to perform maintenance on a computer system and make it smooth functioning. Some examples of utility software are disk defragmenter, antivirus software, backup utility, and compression. Disk defragmenter speeds up the access of data from a hard disk by rearranging the files. To run a disk defragmenter, you need to click on the Start button, select all programs, and then click on Accessories, click on the System Tools, and then select Disk Defragmenter. The disk defragmenter window will open. After that, select the drive which is to be defragmented and click on the Defragment Disk button. It will start the process of defragmentation. The antivirus software is used to remove the dangerous virus programs from your computer. It scans your disk for viruses and removes them. Examples of some antivirus software are Quick Heal Total Security, Norton, Avast, and Kaspersky. The backup utility is used to recover the data from our computer. In case of any damage or accident data loss, it will back up your files and recover when you want. It maintains a copy of the data on the hard disk. Compression is a process of shrinking the files so that in the disk less space is occupied. And these files cannot be read directly. You need to decompress the files to read them. Examples of compression software are WinZip and WinRAR. Next, application software. It is a set of programs developed by programmers to perform specific tasks. It can be installed on the computer depending on the user's requirements. The application software divided into two types, general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. The general purpose application software is developed for the general needs of a large number of people. Some examples of general purpose application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, DBMS software, DTP software, graphics software and multimedia software. The word processing software helps us to create text-based documents. The examples of some word processing software are Microsoft Word and OpenOffice Writer. Spreadsheet software helps you to perform calculations and analyze the data. Examples of spreadsheet software are Microsoft Excel and OpenOffice Calc. Presentation software is used to present an idea lively to the audience. It helps to create and display slides on a computer. Examples of presentation software are Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress. DBMS, it stands for Database Management System. It helps you to arrange and store a large amount of information in organized way. Examples of DBMS software are Microsoft Access, OpenOffice Base and Oracle. DTP, it stands for Desktop Publishing. It is used for creating designs and layouts of books, newspapers, brochures, magazines and many things. The examples of DTP software are Adobe InDesign and Quark Express. Next, graphics software. It helps you to create and edit the images. Examples of graphic software are CorelDRAW and Photoshop. Multimedia software helps you to combine images, text, sound, animations and videos to create an interactive software. Examples of multimedia software is Adobe Flash. Next, specific purpose application software. It is also known as customized software. It developed for the specific requirements of an organization or an individual. Examples of this software are billing system used in supermarkets, reservation system used in airports and railway stations, payroll systems and stock systems used in many organizations. Next, relationship between hardware and software. As I already told, system software acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and it enables them to work together. So, user, application software, system software and hardware system all are interdependent with each other. This is the relationship between hardware and software. Next, today's homework. First question, explain any two general purpose application software. Second question, draw a chart for types of software. Do your homework properly and get a sign from your parents in the planner after completing your homework. Next, question of the day. Today's question is, identify the software. There's a picture. Listen carefully and identify the software. Answer this question in the online exam section of your Schoolia app. Next, an open question to answer in the comment section. The question is, name some examples of general purpose application software. I repeat the question. Name some examples of general purpose application software. Now today's class has been completed. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.